Canva just released a massive update to their text effects suite, and honestly, this might be one of the best updates Canva has ever released for designers. What makes this even better is that every single feature in this update is completely free. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through every single text effect, show you how they work, and more importantly, when you should actually use them depending on the design you're creating. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your text designs look 10 times better with almost no effort. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. So let's jump right in. First, let me show you how to access this new feature. Head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. From here, choose any canvas size that matches your project. For this example, any canvas will work. Once you have your blank canvas, go to the text section on the left panel and add a heading. We're adding a heading simply so we can clearly see how each text effect changes the design. Now, once your text is on the canvas, hover your cursor over the floating toolbar and click on Effects. Immediately, you'll notice that the entire Effects panel has been redesigned. From the names of the effects, the preview interface, the order they appear in, and even the overall layout, Canva clearly put a lot of work into making this panel easier to use. Let's start with a quick rundown of the basic text effects. You'll see effects like glow, drop, outline, background, splice, hollow, neon, and glitch. Just like before the update, you still have full control over how each effect looks. You can adjust things like the intensity, color, direction, and other properties depending on the effect you choose. But now let's get into the real reason why this update is such a big deal. If you scroll down, you'll see a brand new section labeled Advanced. This section contains 12 different advanced text effects, and these work very differently from the basic effects we just looked at. The key difference is that when you apply a basic effect, Canva simply adds a visual effect on top of your existing text. But when you apply an advanced effect, Canva doesn't just apply an effect, it automatically changes the font style as well. So when you click one of these advanced effects, you'll notice two things happen instantly. The font changes and the effect gets applied at the same time. Now here's something really interesting. If you click the same advanced effect again, the effect itself will be removed, but the font style will remain, depending on the advanced effect you used. And finally, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this panel, you'll see another small but very useful addition. Canva added an apps shortcuts section, which gives you quick access to different apps that can make working with text designs even easier. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! With Canva's updated text effects, you can easily enhance your typography, apply both basic and advanced styles, and even stack multiple effects to create more dynamic text designs. In the following videos, we'll talk about different cases where you can use each effect, so sit back and get ready to take your text designs to the next level. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.